y'all. Look what count came. Let me start in this motherfucker, and I didn't clean my wires, bro.
Just to let it shine. Bought a 2-seater, cause I don't trust when niggas sit behind. And if I make it. You know, to my girlfriend. No, I'm still striking game. You can check my license plate. Them hoes say Merlin, 390 to my girlfriend.
What's up, y'all? So y'all already know it's modsWdria, and today I'm gonna be sliding Cam Scat. I know y'all been waiting on this, bro. I was supposed to been slide that cord, bro. Like when I hit 350 subscribers, I think I'm like 420 subscribers now. But I got y'all today, and I turned 18 today, so y'all don't tap in. You know. But yeah, I'm gonna get to y'all when he get here. So see ya. But today I turned 18. Happy birthday to me. And yeah, just waiting. He was supposed to be here 1 minute ago. Oh wait, I think that's him. Yep, there go Cam. Y'all probably can't see him, but he finally here after 100 years. Cam is here, guys. Well, y'all be ready for the slide. Alright. Let me get the sliding. Well, I'm gonna have Cam record it from my phone. Gotcha. Alright. Okay, I'm sliding the Scat. You already know. Leave it to it, tap in. Then
hold up. Wait a minute. Something ain't right.
Turn it off. Why to turn it on? Turn it off, Drea. I'm trying to put the steering wheel down, so. Okay.
More towards the middle. Alright, YouTube. She finna get ready to slide this motherfucker.
I think this good, Hold on. I gotta adjust this motherfucker right, y'all.
Go up a little bit, cause you got that crack right there.
Alright. Then we gotta put this bitch in rikers.
Shit, I don't even know. Like, I can't even tell you that. Like,
I can't do that. Oh, please don't hit me. Please don't hit me. Oh, that's a big ass hit me, boy. Dream, stop fucking playing. She out her scared for her fucking life on camera. Yeah, let me go, man.
Hold up. Wait a minute. Something ain't right.
Oh, I'm playing with my life right now. Woo! I'm not a W recorder. I don't know why they got me outside recording. Yeah, I think I'm a little too scared. Block me out the camera running like this. Huh? Dree, look, swing it that way so like I can get the tires. But like, don't hit me, bro. I'ma stand right here. Just take that little round, you know? Yeah, now we got the traction fully off, so.
Tap. There you go. Yeah! Turn that fucking yeah! Slide that motherfucker! Yes, sir! Yes, Ah, you had it. Tap, 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 tap. There you go. There you go. Yeah, yeah. Turn out, son. Yeah. Slide that motherfucker. Slide that motherfucker. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Slide that motherfucker. Yes, sir. All right, chill. Yeah. Best female slider in St. Louis, no cap. Damn.
Get that reaction.
What? What y'all think, man? What y'all think? When she sliding that motherfucker? Damn.
Okay, cool.
Damn.
Wait, can we do one more time?
You can have a trap. There's hella meaty on that motherfucker.
Oh, Karen, that was the problem. I didn't have that bitch in the bro. I didn't have it in this McGurk.
Yeah, catch that. Yeah. Motherfuckers ain't got shit on you, slime. Motherfuckers ain't got shit on you, slime. Yeah. With that bitch. Turn all the way. With that bitch. On my mama. Let's go. Yes, sir. Clean that bitch up. Clean it up.
It was given. You living in bitch. All right, Kim, I appreciate it, bro. Y'all hear? This is funny as hell.
Hey, she slide my car better than me.
Damn. Well, don't you want a good video before it had it?
Got it. Oh, tap it. You got it.
He would have been hype man for real. But y'all gotta wish me happy birthday in the comments, bro. What y'all think of this video? Damn, my eyes. Woo! Nah, I can't do it like that. Damn. Okay, cool. Stop on me. W female slider. Hold on, I can't show y'all my stomach.
I'm a wire, man.
Oh, Chuck!
I gotta get my turn. Change them all.
Damn! I ain't never swiped that bitch that much. Hold on. Y'all, your boy Cam came, let me solder this motherfucker, and I didn't put him on wires, bruh. But he got some new tires, y'all, so don't do me bad, please. But I appreciate it, Cam. Y'all gotta subscribe to his channel. If y'all don't, y'all not gang for real. Man, give me to how many subs we gotta get to now? 500? 500 subscribers?
That should be good. I can drive.
You finna call them? Hella embarrassing, y'all. He calling the group chat. He calling the core group chat. But you should be able to make it if I was sliding on that bitch. Damn, was it like that when you licked the tongue?
Hell no.
What the fuck?
Look at this.
You better hope that motherfucker don't blow you.
No, I think it's gonna drive though. It's literally just the wires though.
Oh. Bro, she was sliding.
Y'all gotta see the video,
bro.
bro.
Damn. Oh, she ripped the tread off that motherfucker. Yeah, I thought, okay. What, y'all think I'm making home? How far you live? Shit, like 20 minutes?
I think it make it just don't speed. Don't do the dash.
Don't hit no fucking potholes. I'll be mainly worried about that. Damn.
Yeah. They hella funny.
Yeah. Hell no. Damn.
Oh, let me see. Cause
This time? Yeah. What the fucking shit at? Bruh. Oh, man.
I don't know.
Shit, I got another tire in the basement, though. I got
Jason put a last minute. Y'all damn Jason. I thought you was not
I
coming.
was goddamn clearing my goddamn head. Like that motherfucker was foggy.
Hey, y'all gotta hit the like, comments, and subscribe. Do all that. Cause this is a WS video. And tap in. Give me to 500. Tap in. Tap in. Cam shit too. Big Cam TV.
Subscribe to Big Cam TV for real.
Think I don't got.
She put my shit on wide. She ain't sliding my car no more, y'all.
I appreciate it. Thank you.
Turn off the traction in his SRT, control it wide slide. Fucking up this summer, tell him 22 is mine. Might go get a watch, not for the time, just to let it shine. Bought a 2-seater, cause I don't trust when niggas sit behind. And if I make it